bikes which are piece of art, probably I could say. The entire bike is made of stainless steel, and here's the owner. It's a killer job done. Okay, and the story about these two bikes are like there's a Ramayana which starts from this bike and ends there.
You want me to tell you the story?
Yeah, that'll be really great if you can, man. Really appreciate it.
Come in the front, I'll start.
Yeah.
So basically, this is the childhood of Lord Ram. So you can see all the brothers playing here.
Yeah.
Then Valmiki giving them the training.
Yeah.
Then they met a demon in the jungle. And they killed it in the childhood itself.
And who's done the artwork?
Like it was all themed by us, by my other right buddy, this one.
Yeah.
He has a art company for the last 20 years. His father does all the work, so there are 12 artists that have worked on this bike.
Sure.
So here you can see after the training, they are returning back to Ayodhya.
Okay.
And on this side of the bike, on the tank, you can see the Ramji breaking the Dhanush part in the Swayamvar, getting married to Sita, and the marriage procession is going towards Ayodhya.
Wow, that's amazing, man. And you said this is all gold work, right?
This is all gold. Everything yellow that you see is gold.
Amazing stuff, man.
So if you come to this side and like go down a bit, so यहाँ पे Dashrath ji is giving the exile to Ram.
Yeah.
And then they are going to the jungle. This is the shabri and the berry part, the berries.
Shit.
And then this is Lakshman ji cutting the nose of Surpankha. And
Detailed,
this is
man.
when Bharat came to the jungle with the slippers, Charan Paduka wala jo scene hai. We have portrayed it here. And if you come to this side, so Sita saw the golden deer in the jungle.
Yeah.
She got tempted. Here Ramji is going towards that. And when he actually killed it, it was a demon.
Oh,
It was
okay.
not a deer. Meanwhile, Lakshman draw the Lakshman Rekha and went to find Ram.
Yeah.
And Ravan came as a priest and captured Sita. Here the Pushpak Viman is flowing and there is a bird who's actually seeing this happening. Then coming here, is going the Pushpak Viman, Jatayu had a fight in the air and Ravan finally killed Jatayu. So this is part 1 of the story. It continues on that one. So here you can see the same Pushpak Viman landing to the Golden Lanka. पूरा सोने का लंका बनाया. Then meanwhile Ramji met Hanuman in the jungle.
Yeah.
The whole Vali Sugriv episode happened. And while they were finding, they met Sampati, the brother of Jatayu, which is the name of this bike, telling them the story like Sita ji is actually in Lanka.
Wow.
And here we are showing the Ashok Vatika where Sita ji is sitting in the Ashok Vatika and you can see Hanuman ji peeping from the tree. So this is that part.
Yeah.
So here he got caught and people are trying to put fire in his tail.
Yeah.
और यहाँ पे हमने पूरा जलता हुआ लंका दिखाया. So ये पूरा जलती हुई सोने की लंका है. And meanwhile he is back. Ram Setu is being built. Once they are there, Angad as a messenger went to Ravan and tried to convince him not to do the war. But he was unconvinced. Then the whole leg not moving part came here.
Yeah.
This is the Meghnath hit an arrow to Lakshman ji.
Yeah.
And he got fainted. So Hanuman ji bringing the Sanjeevani booty. So
Brilliant.
Meanwhile in the wall, Kumbhkaran was sleeping. So people are trying to wake him up. You can see all the elephants, food and everything. Then this is the Ravan finally getting killed. Division taking the throne of Lanka. And then Ramji coming back to Ayodhya. It was a night Amavasya night. So you can see all the lamps. That's why we celebrate Diwali. And this is the final Ram Darbar.
Yeah.
taking the throne.
May I ask your name again, please?
Vijay.
Vijay. Thanks, Vijay. Are you calling this has a dedicated page or something like that? What's your Instagram ID, if I may ask?
Vijay.devdis. I just have a simple Instagram.
That work is still not there?
No, and I'm not gonna put it for at least 20 days from now because I had to leave a lot of work for this.
Great. Nice. I can
And
understand.
I have told a lot of lies that can't.
Where are you? Where are you in Rajasthan?
Jaipur.
Jaipur.
एक मानव नाम का ये मानव कब आएगा?
If we write down sometime over there, we'll surely catch up, bro.